everyone, it's Seaton with Sargent Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are setting up my monthly calendar in my catch-all. I've gone through and added some more pages and put everything in one planner. That's how I like it. So today we are setting up my January monthly. I can't believe that 2020 is over. I'm not sad to see it go. But I'm very, very excited to be moving into my new planners. So this first one is called Linear Florals, and I just fell in love with it. I love the colors, the pinks, and I just think it's so cute. So let's get started. Now, decorating this is going to be interesting only because they've added florals up here at the top, but I think I figured out a way to kind of make it work as the year progresses. But for January, I kind of want to play off the pink tones in here. It's a new year, and I think everyone's just really excited to kind of get over 2020 and move into hopefully a better year. So we're going to play off the pink tones in this monthly spread. First things first, when you're setting up your monthly, I always like to go through and just take a piece of scrap paper and jot down all of the appointments and things that I know are happening. The other thing that I like to do is have my son's school calendar with me, just so that I know what days he doesn't have school. I would highly recommend also, if you work a job that doesn't have fixed hours, that you have that with you. That way you can just put everything down that you know is going on, and that'll help a ton as you're getting ready for your new month. So I've pulled this is my year, this is the little mini book, and the year to shine. I also pulled Happy Quotes and this other Year to Shine book from the Be Happy box a couple years ago. So in this book, they have all these beautiful pinks and blues. Like I said, we're going to pull mostly pink for this spread, but I want to do something with florals because I've been doing seasonal spreads since September, and I am ready for something different. So let's go through. I do have my wax paper here. I'm just going to go through and pull a couple stickers that I think would work. Actually, you know what? Instead of pulling stickers, I think I'm just going to jump in. So in this monthly, there's monthly goals here, which is perfect. I'm not going to change this at all, but I do want to add florals in here. So I'm trying to figure out where I kind of want to put them. I think I might go across the bottom here. Yeah. So these are the florals that I want to use. These pink and purple florals. I think the best way to get started is to just start laying stickers, and then we'll see how it goes. So I think I want to do some down here and some down here. I'm very tempted to put them down the middle, but I don't want to. Well, we're committing. So that was kind of a darker. Let's pull the lighter. Let's not waste our stickers. Okay. I think that's a good start. I'm going to, in this small book, there were some little flowers. So let's pull some of those. think that looks really cute. I'm gonna actually put, no, put one right there. I feel like we need another pink one up here. So, but just a piece of it. Okay, I think that looks cute. Added a little pop of pink down here. All right, so these are the few stickers that I pulled Purpose Fuels Passion and Plan a Happy Life. So Purpose Fuels Passion, let's put that right there. That looks cute. Okay. I'm just going to be using some boxes to mark appointments. The 22nd, the 14th, the 9th. looks really cute. They have these little gold flecks. So actually I'm going to pull these out and I'm going to pop them on there just to add a little bit more of that copper color in here. Let's see if we can find some more of these flowers in the smaller ones. I really love how this is coming out. I think I need another one of these flowers over here just to tie it all in a little bit. That looks really cute. I think I'm going to pull this Purpose Fuels Passion. I just don't love how it looks on there. I think I need to use this purple one. It says, if you're going to rise, you might as well shine. So let's put that in this box. I think that looks really good. And I don't think I need any more on this. Yeah, I think we're done. Actually, I'm going to move this sticker down a little bit. Nope, I'm not, because it's ripping the other sticker. All right, my January monthly is done. I love it. This copper, I feel like they should do more stickers with the copper because I'm here for it. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing and look me up on Instagram. It's @SergeantPlans.